Time for a relaxing bubble bath. Now where's the lavender oil?
Wow, big toy. Pull.
Milo, what are you doing?
Look, Mom, I made snow.
Milo, what a big mess. Oh no, don't.
Mommy wants to play.
Milo, wait! Stop running! Milo, wait! Stop running! Milo, I'm getting tangled.
Rap, rap, rap.
Oh my goodness, I can't move! Ta-da! Mommy, Mom! This is ridiculous.
Snowstorm.
David, help me!
Huh? Luna? What in the world?
Don't just stand there. Unwrap me.
I'm sorry. It's just...
Wow, a mummy monster.
Are you friendly, monster?
It's Mommy, Toby. I'm trapped.
Snow party.
All right, hold still, my beautiful mummy.
Finally, my hero. Whoa, not so fast!
Incoming.
Hey, is that a challenge?
Oops.
Prepare yourselves for the Snow King!
Oh, you're all in trouble now.
You can't get me.
Missed me. Sneak attack!
You got me!
Wow, so much for my relaxing bath.
Best bath time ever, Mommy! We love you, Mommy!